Napoleon Stylus Cara Elite Electric Fireplace offers innovation like you've never seen before. Integrated with smart technology, control a multitude of settings with the Napoleon Home app on your phone. From the flame and ember bed colors to the timer and heat controls, the power lies at your fingertips and your voice. Voice control integration allows you to connect your Google Home or Alexa device for ultimate convenience. Enjoy the option to create custom favorites to set the perfect scene. With infinite possibilities, set the mood for a romantic evening in, game day, dance party with friends, or cozy movie night. The included birch log set and crystal media and enhanced flame appearance ensures a vibrant work of art for any space. The added benefit of the LED weather display and dual fast-charging USB port makes this fireplace both unique and functional. For peace of mind, the safety setting will automatically turn the fireplace off after 24 hours or when the room reaches 30 degrees Celsius. As a wall-hanging model, the installation steps are as easy as 1, 2, 3, no matter if the fireplace is installed in a living room, bedroom, office, or home gym. Whether it's summer or winter, you can enjoy the alluring flames all year round with the ability to disable the heat function. Making a fireplace the centerpiece of your home has never been easier with Stylus Cara Elite.